Lidolobha lakamanzini libambisene netinhlangano letehlukahlukene namhla ke ligubhelona ke lisuku kwelemandi kwenda ke isiqiniseko ukuthi isive sakamanzini nesive saseswatini sithola ke emanti ke lahlobile. Meya welidolobha lakamanzini bathi bona ke balidolobha lakamanzini babona ke kufanele ukuthi bendekele imisebenzi lona kute ke isive sakamanzini sitaba mahlanhlandlela egcineni ke imvelo ihlobile nawo ke emanti ke ahlobile.
We are so excited that the partnership did not end with that event. Today we have partnered yet again towards commemoration of the 2022 World Water Day, another initiative that speaks to the protection of environment. World Water Day is one of the most important international commemorations to us as a municipality, especially because it focuses on the importance of fresh water.
Mapalane wesifundza sakamanzini umnumzane Arnold Dlamini uthi teke uyafisa ukuthi inkundla ledutane nalo lidolobha lakamanzini nato ke netingahamba embili ekutheni tigcine wona ke emanti ke ahlobile lidolobha lakamanzini ngeke ke selwaswele ke emanti ke lahlobile.
We want to believe if all the 14 Nkundla centers will protect water as a key resource, Manzini as a city, Manzini as the center or the heart of this country shall survive.
Lokhulumelelo na ke litiko letemadolobha nekuthuthukisa awo bathi teke bona ke balitiko bayatichenya ngalokho lokwendiwe lidolobha lakamanzini basho ukuthi bayafisa ukuthi nalamanye ke emadolobha nakangawenda lo msebenzi tiphindze netinkampani ke tusekele.
The local government, in terms of the urban government policy, is tasked, amongst other things, to ensure that their surroundings are livable. And this is a requirement, not a request to local government. So what we are seeing in Manzini is just evidence of that. I think as a ministry, there's nothing more gratifying than having good news coming from local governments.
Nebantwana ke besikolo ke bethekolwa ke letehlukene kamanzini babonakele kulo msebenzi wokuhlobisa yona ke imifula lekhona ke edolobheni kamanzini. Etindzabeni temsakato iMaswati Channel, ngingeri Khalus ngamanzini.